No, Kitty. You're doing it wrong. No.
It's not like I did anything wrong.
Kitty, I gotta ask you a serious question. Do you hate me?
Yeah.
I hate everybody, Sylvester. It doesn't make any sense. I'm trying to figure out why we're not communicating. You seem so... Whoa, Gigi... Oh, she's freaking cute, huh?
No, it's stupid.
You've got to be kidding me. Sylvester! Kitty, get up!
No.
Sylvester, you get up. What is this?
You're grounded for a week. No wet food.
Fuck.
What the fuck?
Go crazy! Ah! Go stupid! Ah! Go crazy! Go stupid! Ah! Go crazy! Yeah! Go stupid!
Kitty, I got you a present.
What?
Surprise!
It was quick and painless, but Steve is gonna pay for this!
Yes.
You will.
Slow down.
僕ですか
You got a secret, like you victorious. I'm back on a Tuesday and fucking feels glorious. I'm on the backbeat, sipping in the backseat, listening to NSYNC. No, not Backstreet. Yes, I can get it on my mind, my own mind, while I'm waving out the window like bye bye bye.